Hi, my name is David O'Connor and I run the Maker Hub here at Swansea University. The Maker Hub is essentially a place for students and staff and anyone at the university to be able to come to a space where they can work on their own personal projects or projects linked with the university. And the idea is it's there to kind of enable people and give them access to equipment that would otherwise be quite hard to get hold of to work on more personal projects. So the Maker Hub is generally, we're trying to keep it as open as we can. We're mainly focusing on the engineering undergraduate students, but at the moment we're very open, so if anyone wants to come down and have a little look and have a chat to us, they're very welcome to.